Hey, welcome. Welcome back to the channel. It's another day at Yoruba Cinema Legacy TV. And today it's gonna be a movie cover review. Alright, for an old movie. This is where we bring old Yoruba movies back alive. And we're gonna be doing a movie cover review. At least if we can get the movie, we have the movie cover, and we can remember some of the old movies that was done back then. And the title of the movie cover we're reviewing today is called Tèmí Ní Tọ. Once again, that's Tèmí Ní Tọ. And you can do me a favor. If you've seen this movie before, you've watched it before, can you please drop a comment and let us know what you enjoyed about the movie, what you know about the movie, so we can work together to bring old movies back alive. Okay? So the title again is Tèmí Ní Tọ. It's a touching Yoruba film about love, self-worth, and second chances. Okay, so it's about a lady. She's a single mom. Her name is Tinuke, and she always struggles with rejection because men often leave once they know she has a child outside wedlock. Oh, what a luck! Men don't want to marry her because she has a child out of wedlock. Okay, it's a movie. All right. So she has a friend Wunmi, encouraged her to start afresh with a guy known as Dapo, who is a wealthy medical doctor. But you know how that goes. Then you give suggestion. Does he work all the time? Anyways, when that happened, things got complicated because Dapo, being a medical doctor, has someone he's already engaged to, who is also a medical doctor. All right. Like I said, it's movies about love, self-worth, and circumstances. Anyways, life is full of mystery. A lot of things happened as emotions clashed and secrets surfaced. Tinuke needs to face her past while trying to win Dapo's heart. Alright, I totally understand that the best way you can enjoy this movie is by watching it. But at least we get to remember some of the storyline in the past. And it's a powerful story about love, judgment, and the realities many women face. Okay, I wish we can get the actual movie. If we find it somewhere, definitely we'll be able to show a view for like 8 minutes of one of the interesting part of the movie. But until then, I do hope you enjoyed this review. Once again, it's just a movie cover review. And if you have seen the movie before, please drop a comment. Let us know what you like about the movie. Also, looking at the movie cover, do you see faces that you recognize? Do you know anyone on the movie cover that you can share with us in the comments? That would be great if you can do that. We would really appreciate it. So we can work together, bring these old movies back alive, like I said. And I do hope you're enjoying everything that I drop in daily on this channel for the month of December. All right, we'll be rounding up here, and we'll see you next time.